What's going on, man? I'm making this quick video. I'm unboxing, a pair of Giuseppe's. This video, I was inspired by Phil Fashion that I came across on YouTube. He's a stylist. Now, I own a few other pair of Giuseppe's, but, I haven't purchased this particular shoe, and I will unbox it in a second because, I just didn't have a feel for it, but now I do since I came across Phil Fashion video and inspired me to purchase it. But I just want to give a few ideas how to dress up luxury shoes, which is very easy and simple. You don't have to overthink it. Just really you dress it up, more like a dressy, casual look. So I'm just going to unbox it real quick, show you guys the shoe. Okay, this is Giuseppe box. Right? We got the cards, the details about the product. We got this other little card here, details about the product. If y'all own a few Giuseppe, y'all already know what's in these little packets. We have the dust bags, etc. The dust bags. Okay, now this is the shoe. It packed it up very nicely. And show you guys how Giuseppe's look. And this is my first time looking in the box for real. So this is my first time. Woo! Okay. Oh, got a little shit. Oh, it's like a little glitter. Blue, Got like the patent leather or leather. Got the silver buckle. Okay. Oh, it's a little stylish. I like it. Okay. It's pretty cool, man. So the other shoe. Ooh. Got the zippers on the side. I like it. It's pretty cool. I don't own a lot of, luxury shoes, a whole lot. But I haven't bought these particular pair. I own Giuseppe boots, which I was showing in a later video. I own a lot of other Giuseppe's, but I haven't got this particular sneaker. It's pretty cool, Ain't nothing else in the box. Ain't nothing else in the box. But, a quick, unbox review on the sneaker. I don't really like to get all extra, but if you want to style this particular shoe, me personally, I like to layer my clothes. I like to, dress up everything I wear. I'm a casual guy, but also I could, dress up in a nice, blazer, some dress pants, some loafers. But with this one, normally, what I would wear with this, I would throw on like maybe a rugby, maybe a blue rugby with a button up underneath, a casual button up underneath the rugby, and I throw like a bow tie. Like you see how, this is Billy, you know what I'm saying? Bow tie on underneath it, and then I throw on some nice jeans, maybe some, good quality chinos, or maybe some like denim jeans with those. I like to dress it like that, or you can also dress it up in a nice, I will go with a short sleeve, lightweight cardigan. I would throw those on with, so just few ideas, how to dress up a luxury shoe. A lot of people throw on jogging, sweatpants, or sweats, which is, that's not my thing. I wouldn't do it because it throws the outfit off. Unless you get some very high-end luxury, sweatpants, etc. But even then, like, I'm just not a sweatpant guy, so that's my opinion. But, yeah, I just want to make a quick review on the shoe, which is pretty dope, in my opinion. I like it, I really like it. I didn't know it had this, like, this glitter You see it? Like this mesh, glitter, shiny. It's pretty cool. Catchy shoe. I would definitely put it together. I'll put an outfit together. I'm definitely making a post out and about and show you guys how to style this shoe. Got a zip in the back. You know, so it's pretty cool, man. You know, it's pretty cool. I will definitely do an update outfit. But I just want to make this quick video on how to, you know, I made a quick video how to open box a Giuseppe shoe. But you guys take care, man. Listen, I got some more videos coming up, and we definitely put some outfits together on how to dress up a lot of different shoes for different fits and different occasions. You know, I dress up every day. That's my thing. I'm not a, you know, oh, because it's my birthday, let me dress up, or because it's Friday or Saturday. No, Monday through Sunday, I'm dressed up. That's just me, okay? I'm ready for any occasion. You know, it could be a Tuesday. You can invite me out, and I can walk in right then and there. I don't need to go home and think about it, change. So, you know, and there's a lot of affordable pieces out there where you guys can dress up and get a good tailor, and, you know, definitely put some pieces together for people that can't afford certain type of brands. But, you know, sometimes not about the brands, about the qualities, difference. You know, so you could get a good quality t-shirt, but it's not a high-end brand. It will cost 89% cheaper than a high-end brand, you know, out there. So you just got to do your research and look for it, you know. But we'll get into more later videos about that. But stay tuned. Thanks. And I will update you guys some more.